Yo creatives, I'm Aali Jah, and let me tell you, the internet's exploding with these mind-blowing AI profile pics. People are going viral left and right, and guess what? You can be next. This free tool is making everyone an AI artist, and I'm gonna show you how to hack it like a pro to create viral-worthy pics that will shatter those follow records. Okay fam, grab your coffee and get ready to unleash your inner Picasso. First thing first, prompts are key. Ditch the boring stuff, think bold, think you. Alright fam, open up bing.com/images/create and press enter. Once you're there, toss out the given prompt from this video's description and replace it with your own wild out-of-the-box idea. Hit that join and create button like you're unlocking a treasure chest. Drum roll please. Boom! Behold the visual masterpiece generated by your ingenious prompt. It is like having an AI art assistant that understands your vibe better than anyone else. But hold on, we are just getting started. Want to spice things up? Modify the prompt and watch your images transform into a whole new level of awesome. All for free. I have whipped up some killer images just by tweaking my name and objects in those prompts. It is like having a personal AI stylist and it is all at your fingertips. Now, let me spill some tea about this Microsoft AI tool. It is a game changer, my friends. Creators worldwide are turning their visions into reality, and you are next in line for greatness. The secret? Your creativity is the key. The wilder, the better. And the AI will serve you some mind-blowing results. Check this out, my creativity in action. How cool is this image? Loving it? Curious about the prompt behind it? Drop a comment and I will spill the beans. And hey, if you're itching to impress your friends by replacing your face and creating pure awesomeness like me, hit the subscribe button, turn on notification and slide into my Instagram DMs at @IamAaliJah. Did this tutorial blow your mind? Save it. Share it with your squad on WhatsApp, Facebook or whatever the cool kids hangs out. Thanks for joining the creative revolution. Now go forth and conquer the AI art world.